Now, Chris, I've just been on the phone to Mr. Harvey, your English teacher. I have rung him home to get the truth, which apparently you refuse to give me. I've just found out that you achieved a B- on your latest essay. That is not good enough, Chris. I don't know how many times I have to say this to you. We expect a certain standard here in this house. So as a consequence, you will not have access to your iPhone. You will not have access to your iPod. If you need to use the internet, it will be restricted use only, which means I will supervise you while you use it only for study purposes. I don't know why you continue to try and embarrass me.